कूदो मत आगे मत जाओ यार।
रुको यार।
कूदो मत
भाई रुको यार।
To not just touch hearts, but also souls of every individual across the world. Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful feeling to have his aura, his footsteps, and him completely here in this room. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the icon, the star, the young legend, Sonu Sood. Wow, what a brilliant feeling. I'm going to take a breather and allow you all to take your beautiful pictures, ladies and gentlemen, and allow me to speak a few words about a very renowned actor who made it possible to climb the ladder of success. But before we go ahead with the story, right after your photo op, we're going to have the unveiling, of course, and then I'm going to have a little bit, just a few words about the star who actually needs no introduction at all. But, of course, I have something to express from Society Achievers and deep within my heart. So are we ready for the countdown? I said you can cheer if you have the gadgets in your hands. So we're going to have the countdown. So 10th of Jan is the release of So we're going to have the countdown of 10. Okay, are we ready? We're going to have the unveiling first. The unveiling, ladies and gentlemen, of Society Achievers, a magazine with class, the cover page. Please join me for the countdown. Are we ready, sir? 10, louder, 9, 8, 7, together, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh la la la. Fateh, the real hero. Sorry, sir. We should have a few photo op moment. I like that. Please आप सीटी बजा सकते हो. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Thank you. इससे हमें फिल्म की सक्सेस का पता अभी से ही चल गया. शुक्रिया. Ladies and gentlemen, right from being a very renowned actor to achieving accolades in the acting arena, having worked in different genres, he's the one who brings those characters to life on screen. Besides, of course, being the real hero, he's the one who's also won hearts with his great philanthropic work, right from aiding the migrant workers to giving them education to bringing a smiles on their faces, which during the pandemic gave him the name, and not just for the namesake, but truly the Masiha. People prayed and only prayed for his super success. They had tears in their eyes for the great, fabulous work. Fabulous is just a very minimalistic word, but for the great work done for the society, for the world at large. He brought smiles to everyone's faces, and everyone thought, if there is a God, a Masiha who can fulfill our wishes, it is the one and only Sonu Sood. What a great belief. And right from there to now, right from acting to becoming a family of Society Achievers. Director Sunil Kavnekar, Marketing Director Shivendra Parihar, Director Preeta Nair. May I kindly request Mario Ferreira, our Assistant Editor Amber Dials, and I'm going to please request Rohit Damankar, who's traveled all the way from Australia for this moment, to also join us here. Thank you.
Sir, इस साइड आइए ना.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. This is a beautiful family of Society Achievers. We can't thank you enough. Couldn't have thought of anything better towards the beginning for this beautiful beginning of the new year, a lovely new year for all of us. Thank you very much. Ma'am, you can give this compliment on the microphone. Thank you. So this is the moment. My heart skips a beat.
Yeah. First of all, thank you so much for your kind words. All your kind words always embarrass me. And I think we all have so many achievers sitting in front of us. Thank you, Ashok Bhai, for always making us feel special. You know, I remember when I came to Mumbai for the first time from Moga. In fact, when I was in Moga, and I was doing my engineering, that was the first time I sent my pictures to Stardust magazine so that I may get selected, but I was rejected. I had an envelope came back to Moga with a note that somehow you don't fit into the scope of getting into the contest. It was the Stardust Stardust Academy. So I said, no, I have to really work hard to make it happen. And finally today when I share this moment with you, I feel really humbled, honored. Thank you so much for this. And thank you. And I think the title of my film says it all. Fateh, कि ज़िंदगी में हर किसी की फतेह होनी चाहिए. You just have to really work hard to make it happen. And wishes always do the trick. And last couple of years have been the most special years of my career when we run behind a lot of goals that we set in our life. Working with the best of producers, directors, actors, and then we realize the actual real goal is not something what you see on screen but off screen, where life is not about light, camera, action. It's about no lights, no camera, just action. And I think that's the most special feeling and the journey that I've lived the last couple of years. And all I can say is, I want to recite those special lines that my mom always used to say कि सोनू कभी अपनी ज़िंदगी में दुआओं की स्याही डाल ले फिर देख तेरा नाम पन्नों पर नहीं आसमान पर लिखा जाएगा. So I think it's very important for all of us to realize that when we become someone's hope, when we try to put an effort for changing a life, that's when Almighty does wonders for you. We get friends like Niti, hi Niti, क्या हाल है? आज क्या खिला रही है तुम? Hi Gaurav, क्या हाल है मेरे भाई? So I feel really blessed. When I came to Mumbai, I never knew anyone. Always used to feel a bit lost when there was a bag on my shoulders, a lot of pictures, hunting for those offices where I can drop those pictures. And then things happened. So today when I produced and directed my first film, Fateh, and I wrote also. So when I started writing that film, the film started with a lot of real life experiences, all those real incidents that people were trying to approach me for help. They were cheated by cyber frauds. We came across a couple of suicides also because of those innocent loan apps. And I realized this is a story of a common man who suffers every single day, and it has to be told. So that's why I started writing Fateh, and I thought that I should direct because I've lived that journey. And now Fateh is all set to hit the theatre sometime of Jan. All I can say you that I've not just directed, I've lived this film. And the biggest challenge was when all our friends, all our relatives, they always used to say why our films don't look like Hollywood films, why our films are not shot the way we have seen films shot in the West, or action, or sound design. So I said, wait and watch, I'll get you something very special. I was fortunate enough to get the best of DOPs who have worked with the world's best action directors who have done films like Fast and Furious, Jurassic Park, Captain Marvel. We are fortunate enough to get a song from Hans Zimmer. It's called Call to Life. The voice of Dune, Loire Kotler, became the voice of Fateh. So I think when we got all those, big names in the film, then we realized that we have to make a film which should inspire the best to make a film like this. So I hope when Fateh hits the theatre, you'll be proud that it's something very, very special, and fingers crossed that जाके Fateh देखेगा जरूर, और इसी नाम पे वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, श्री वाहिगुरु जी दी फतेह।
हम सब बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं of the release of the film, and at the same time it's just few more days to go, and so do we like to know from you. Of course, you've shared with us the story and the beautiful journey you started with Stardust and Society Achievers. It's very, very special. आपके हर काम की तरह न सिर्फ ये फिल्म सबके दिलों को छुएगी, but रूह को भी छू जाएगी. So share with us something very unique you experienced, because usually you act and you have the director there, but playing all the roles as the director, producer. What was it that you realized as an actor in this film?
I realized that I've been working for past 22 years. I've done close to 100 movies. But after directing this film, I realized that there are so many things that a film world needs that I was missing in all these films last couple of years. One day I got both my sons and the whole friend. So they are very well informed, and I spoke to them that why do you want to see Fateh? Forget that I'm your dad, but why will you see Fateh? He said, we want something which is not seen on Indian cinema. I said, like what? He said, an action sequence, something that no Bollywood film has ever attempted. I said, like what? He said, one action sequence with no cuts. There shouldn't be any cut. You're fighting 70, 80 people, and let's make it happen. So that really excited me. So I started writing the whole action sequence. I spoke to Lee Whittaker. I said, we have to make it happen. He said, phenomenal idea, but we don't have those many fighters, in the country who can, make that happen, the vision you have. So we got a lot of people from Mexico, South Africa, trained the whole sequence for 2.5 months for that one single shot, and we finally shot that whole sequence. When you see in the theaters, you will see that this is one of the most stylish action sequences that have been shot, and all I can say is that we learn every single day from every single individual that we come across. But when we write, direct, produce our films, we shouldn't shut our windows. We say, which I've experienced most of the time when I used to work with others. You should always be a good learner, listen to the people, listen to every single individual, from spot boys to lightmen to gaffers. So that's been my journey as a director. Still I'm learning, still miles to go, but yes, the journey is on.
Heartfelt congratulations, and thank you for sharing with us. I mean, I was almost getting goosebumps, and Ashok sir, I need to request you. So please, I can't wait till a renowned philanthropist, Dil Se Jaan Se. Sir, दो शब्द आपसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे, डॉक्टर अनिल जी. Sir, शुक्रिया.
Dada, it's always a pleasure being around you. Absolutely a pleasure. आपने दिलों पे फतेह की है दादा. ये मूवी
क्या बात है.
It has to happen for sure. Wish you all the very best in the life. Thank you so much.
बहुत शुक्रिया sir. I'm going to keep calling you back again. Ladies and gentlemen, doctors are a miracle of God. Dr. Ritu Hinduja, our clinical director and senior consultant fertility specialist, Noah IVF Mumbai, member of Managing Committee, Indian Society of Assisted Reproduction, member of Managing Committee, Maharashtra Chapter of Indian Society of Assisted Reproduction. Ladies and gentlemen, she is Dr. Ritu Hinduja. A loud round of applause for Dr. Ritu for bringing that happiness and joy in individuals' lives and fulfilling every couple's goals and dreams and individual dreams as well. Dr. Ritu, दो शब्द आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे, please.
So, my friend Jagriti actually asked me if we are asked to speak something on the stage, what are we going to say? So, I really don't have much to say, but you're doing really great work, so keep that up, and we hear a lot about you. And I used to always feel that, we being doctors, we do so much, and the limelight is always on the film stars. But you are one of them who actually deserves it, so keep doing the good work. Congratulations, very proud, and all the best for that. Thank you so much.
That was very kind. Thank you, Dr. Ritu. Maybe I'm going to request Anil Ji. Yes, Anil Ji has a small token of love to the doctors. So Anil Ji, come Ritu Ji, please. So after you speak a few words, our doctor has been with us here. Dr. Anil Ji has a small token of love to our doctors. Ladies and gentlemen, may we kindly continue the applause as we like to welcome our consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Bombay Hospital and Medical Research Center, Dr. Kunjal Batija. We welcome you, Dr. Kunjal. Very good. बहुत shukriya. Thank you, Anil sir. Ladies and gentlemen, may we please kindly put our hands together for the head of marketing, Mayor Pharma. May we please welcome Sudeep Mukherjee. Sudeep, sir, you've always been a part of us at Society Achievers, and what a huge honor to always have you around. Thank you for spreading love by making sure that everyone has that perfect health. And in the fitness arena, we have by the way, the fitness icon Sonu Sood here with us. But you make sure that everyone has the right vitamins and give the right consultancy. Ladies and gentlemen, is the one and only Mr. Sudeep Mukherjee here with us. Thank you, Sudeep Ji. It's always special to have the very voluminous smile. We truly look forward to that.
Thank you so much. And me representing a healthcare company already fateh ho chuki hai. Wish you all the best, and I'm sure that all of us will be there on 10th to cheer up and make Fateh a big.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up as we like to welcome Dr. Shivarama Bandari Ji of the very popular Shiva Style, giving the right style to everyone. Shiva, thank you so much for always being a part of our family. Dr. Shivarama Bandari Ji of the very popular Shiva's Stylo. Things for every film, every web series, every television serial has to be the one and only Dr. Yogesh Lakhani from Bright Outdoor Media. The most amazing person जो दिल से जीते हैं और उनकी स्माइल देख के आप सब अपने गम भूल जाएंगे. So if you want to look bright and you're looking forward to a brighter future, he's the man. Dr. Yogesh Lakhani. Yogesh sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? सोनू सर हैं आज.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो 1980 से स्टार्ट देखना पब्लिशिंग और सोसाइटी से मैं जुड़ा हूँ और सोनू भाई की पहली फिल्म से आज तक की फतेह फिल्म का भी आउटडोर पार्टनर ब्राइट है, तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मैं इतनी बड़ी फिल्म का हिस्सा हूँ. बड़े में बड़ी फिल्म के साथ और सर की भी फिल्म बहुत बड़ी हो गए, ऐसी मैं दिल से दुआ करता हूँ. और आज मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा टाइम का शादी का म्यूजिकल नाइट का शो था, लेकिन सोनू जी को मिलने के लिए मैंने कैंसिल किया.
योगेश भाई की जो कंपनी का नाम ब्राइट इसलिए है क्योंकि इनकी स्माइल इतनी ब्राइट है कि सबको फेल कर देते. योगेश भाई हमेशा ऐसे खुश हो. एंड आज जब मैं ऑफिस में आ रहा था तो आप ही के बारे में बात कर रहे याद कर रहे थे कि ऐसे ही बड़े ही मतलब पता है गोल्डन हार्ट मैन हो आप. खुश रहे आप योगेश भाई. थैंक यू सो मच.